Dog of Cans by the amazing Aiden Tucker. Who else would it be? Duh. Here we have our blueprint / sketch of what I'll be making. This is what will be the right front and back leg. Let me tell you, trying to get the wire to form took forever. Here we have both leg pieces connected, as well as the chest. Here's another beautiful side shot. Now we have the finished product. Here it is from the side. If you look at the head, you'll see how I used the wire as ears. Pretty cray if I do say so myself. Also keeps the can in place. Here's a tail shot. I'd say it's pug approved. But where's the math? Well, if you would just give me a second, geez. The math is in the amount of cans used. Until I used about 15, 16 cans. The math was also in the blueprints. The dog is about 14 inches tall. Materials. I used cans, tape, paper, wire, and of course a pencil. Thanks for your time. Bye!